Hey, YouTube. Bag. Hey, YouTube. We're gonna learn the Viagra boys. Look at the bag. This is something if you don't know, drug users are out of their drugs. They're coming down. They're feeling low. They may try to get more drugs by looking for them in unusual places. Song basically, it's a dance song almost, so it just kind of hangs on A. Then what we're doing here is we're taking this like A shape. We play A when we learn how to play guitar. We're just playing that at the just doing, and this is called chromatic when you go up by half steps. Then back to the A. That's 7, 8, 9. And then we're doing the same thing with our index finger, playing those A shapes. There's one other one they do, I think it's... at one point they do this. All those chromatic things are optional. Downstroke to the rhythm, and then when you want to play, you just press down. All right, and then for the chorus, there's a lot more to be had. That is just C. We're just playing the A part of it. C, D. Okay, that's it. Viagra boys, look the bag. I hope you have fun playing that. Have a great day. Bye.